Okay, good morning dear students. This is solid state. In this video we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate the number of atoms in face-centered cubic unit cell FCC. The number of atoms in face-centered cubic unit cell. In the previous video we have discussed the number of atom in body-centered cubic unit cell and also in simple cubic unit cell. So, before that you should know where the atoms are present in face-centered cubic lattice. A simple structure, cubic structure, you know, in the cubic, whether it may be a simple cubic or body centered or face centered. 8 atoms are present at the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many atoms are present? Totally 8 atoms are present at the corner of the unit cell. Number of atoms in the corner, NC, number of atom in the corner equal to 8. Before writing the face centered atom, to exactly know where the atoms are present, now I said some of the plane faces, plane means here faces. So this is used to easily distinguish the atoms which are present at the center of faces. This is third one. Now you know there are 6 faces in unit cell. Left hand side one face atom is present. This is face centered atom. Then top of the square, right hand side one sphere, then bottom, front square and back square. Front square and back square. Now each atom present in the corner now have a touch with the face centered atom. Total number of atoms are equal to 8 in the corner and 6 in the faces. In 3-dimensional, now we are going to draw the structure of face centered cubic lattice. Draw one line here, second line, third line. Here you have one point, then join all the lines and you will get a cube like structure, a cube like structure. Here one point. Now these 2 points are joined, and in each corner there is one atoms. Edge you can join these edges, and also here you have one face centered atom. Starting from this, join the 2 edges, and these are the corner atom. I am simply draw this atom 1, 2, 3. Now here you have 1/4 atom. Others atoms are hidden. Now I give different color to the corners atom. After that I draw the face centered atom. There are 8 corners atom and 6 face centered. 6 faces, 6 face centered. Now on the right hand side we have one face centered atom covering all these. One face centered atom. Here also one face centered atom covering all these, and here covering all these part there is one face centered atom. Other parts are hidden parts. We cannot see. The other part of face centered atom is a hidden part. So these are face centered atom. FCC. And Number of atoms in the corner, we are going to determine number of atoms in the corner equal to 8. Number of atoms in the corner given by the symbol NC, that is equal to, there are 8 atoms present in there. Number of unit cell shared the corner atom. Number of unit cell shared the corner atom. Already we have discussed, is equal to 8. One corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. Number of face-centered atoms given by the symbol NF equal to 6 faces in a unit cell. Therefore, 6 atoms are present in the corners. Number of unit cells shared the face-centered atom. Is equal to, I will give one example model. This is an example of unit cell. Say, in this part, plus part, there is one atom is present at the center of this face. Now, this face atom is shared only by 2 unit cell. One face centered atom is shared by how many unit cell? Only 2 unit cell. Remember always, one face centered atom is shared by only 2 unit cell. Correct? So, number of unit cell shared the face centered atom is 2. Now, we are going to calculate the number of atoms present in FCC unit cell. Number of atoms present in FCC unit cell. What is the formula? Number of corner atom by number of unit cell shared the corner atom, NC by 8. Number of face centered atom, number of unit cell shared that face centered atom. Number of corner atom equal to 8. One corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell, plus number of face centered atom 6. One face centered atom is shared by 2 unit cell. So, 1 plus 3, totally there are 4 atoms in FCC. 4 atoms in FCC. Remember always, in simple cubic, total number of atoms are equal to 1. In body centered cubic, total number of atoms are equal to 2. And in face centered cubic, total number of atoms are equal to 4. In face centered cubic unit cell, identical atoms lie at each corners as in the center of each faces. Those atoms in the corners touch those in the faces, but not each other. The corner atom are not touching each other, they touch only the face centered atom. The atom in the face centered is being shared by how many unit cell? 2 unit cell. The atom present at the face centered is shared by 2 unit cell. So, each atom in the face centered makes 1/2 contribution to the unit cell. 1/2 contribution to the unit cell. Remember always, the corner atoms, one corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. One face centered atom is shared by 2 unit cell. So, total number of atoms in face-centered cubic is to 4 atoms. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. In the incoming video, we are going to see how to calculate the dimensions of unit cell interplanar distance using Bragg's spectrophotometer. Thank you very much.